Hello, this is Raj Kochopali. Welcome to my channel. And today I will teach you how to. I'll teach you. I'm sorry, I can't do this. I'm American. Actually, black skin American. Yeah, I'm just doing that accent because, on like all those tech help YouTube channel, they pretty much all are Indian for some reason. I have no idea why. But yeah, so today I'm going to teach you how to fix a Telegram link when it says invalid. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. It'll only take a minute tops. Just download the app. No, I'm not kidding. Just download the app. It's really that simple. If you don't believe me, you can watch me do it right here. Also, like and subscribe because this will definitely fix it. I can guarantee you. Okay, so watch this. That's Gohan in the background, watching Goku about to make the ultimate sacrifice. Okay, so go to the link, click on that, and bam, says Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid. Yeah. And look above there. It says, okay, download. So just download the app, Telegram, and wait for it to finish. Yep. Open it, put in your phone number, and yes. Then after that, go back to the link and click on it. Now join the group. And that was pretty much it. And I hope it helped. And well, actually, no, I definitely know it worked. Yeah, no, it's that simple. Just download the app. So yeah, just leave a comment, a like, and I'll help you with anything else. And it'll only take a minute videos. Okay, see ya.